You are trying to use the Boolean modifier with two objects, but it's currently not working. As you can see, there is no highlight here. Well, by the end of this tutorial, I will show you a way that might be able to solve your issue and get something like this right here. And now if I try again to select the second object, the target object, I now get the highlight as expected. And if I want, I can even apply the difference, and as you can see, there is now my cut and the object. So let's get started. I will start by deleting these two objects. Okay, now in my tutorial, my goal will be to cut the corner right here with the bevel tool and the Boolean modifier. So the way I proceed, I will press 3 and edit mode to select face. Now I use Shift D, and now I will press Z to move the face. My goal is to have two objects, so I will separate the face, and now I will go in object mode, select this new face. I go in edit mode with tab. I select the face with 3. I press E to extrude and create my cube, and now I'm trying to use the bevel tool on that new cube with Ctrl B. I can now perform. I will retry. I can now go right here and with my mouse wheel adjust the curve, and if I want, I can even change the profile direction by pressing P, and I get my corner as I want it. Now, in theory, at first I thought I would be able to use the Boolean modifier with that, but if I try, let's try it. And now I try the Boolean modifier. It's not working. So why is that? There is probably an issue with the mesh right here. So how can I fix that? I will put my object right here. What you will need, you need to go and edit preferences, go get the 3D print toolbox add-on. You might need to go get it by get extensions. So install it. Once you have installed it, go to the panel on the right, go to 3D print, select the object, clean up, make manifold, and now let's try again. I select my object, I press G and then Z, I place it on my corner, and now as you can see, I am now able, I will just so it is clear, I will remove the modifier, I will add it back, and now if I try to select the object, the target object, I am now able to get the highlight as I want and apply it. So I hope this tutorial helps you, and have a good day.